Butt implants, are they safe? Check it out right here. Butt implants are safe, and it's one of my favorite procedures to do. And if done wrong, you can have some serious complications. So what are these complications? The most dreaded complication is infection. And this is the number one complication that surgeons performing this procedure are just so scared of. And there's a rightful reason for it. I don't mean to be cheeky, but it's not the cleanest area. If you look at surgeons across the United States, there's not a lot of surgeons that do this procedure safely and consistently. And so it's really about this high risk of infection. And you can look at the literature, and the literature is a lot from South America, and typically the infection rate you should expect is somewhere around 20%. That's kind of the ballpark. But I can tell you this surgery can be done safely. You can have a very low risk of complications associated to infection. But it's really all about the surgeon experience, their obsession with sterility and just keeping the procedure performed correctly, and then patient education and compliance after the procedure itself. And by doing those things, you can dramatically decrease the risk of infection. Number 2, recovery. So the recovery of this procedure is dramatically different than breast augmentation. It's a little more labor intensive, and definitely one of those aspects of the procedure can increase risk of other complications. And so the recovery needs to be kind of tailored to that patient, and decreasing the risk of having problems such as infection and malpositioning, where you move the implant around too much, and other aspects of the procedure associated with the implant. Specifically garments, the sleeping position, the hydration, what kind of food you're eating. These are all important aspects of the recovery specifically associated to butt augmentation. Another aspect you need to understand is what type of implant you're going to get. And so in the United States, we only have, they're called semi-solid silicone gluteal implants, and it's not a gel-filled bag. Those kind of gel-filled bag implants, similar to breast implants, are available in South America and Europe. But in the United States, all we have right now is a semi-solid silicone gluteal implant. And I'll tell you, with these implants, they're much stronger, more durable. They're just actually kind of considered lifetime prostheses because they can't rupture, they can't break, other than being put in. So these implants will stay where you put them and last for a very long time. The last thing I want to leave you with is to really find a surgeon who does these surgeries often. Butt augmentation is nothing like breast augmentation. There's thousands of surgeons that do breast augmentation, but there's really a small subpopulation that actually do butt augmentation and do a lot of them. The surgical technique is dramatically different. The implants are dramatically different. The recovery is different. Where the implant's placed into the butt, that is dramatically so important. I can't emphasize that enough, is that the implant space and where it lives should be able to last the patient a lifetime. And that's the goal, is to have a natural, fuller buttock that can kind of stay with that patient for really the rest of their life. Hey guys, I hope you learned something about having a safe and successful butt augmentation procedure. Don't forget, check out my website and hit the like and subscribe button for more.